Hi there and welcome to the day 13 of my holiday tutorial series. Now, when there is just a few days left before the beginning of December, I'd like to suggest you an idea of how you can make a really quick last-minute advent calendar. This one is going to be built up out of envelopes, and I'll explain you how to use it at the end of this video. Creating an envelope itself is super easy. I'll be using a new paper discovery die called Leaf Envelope. The die is less than 6 by 6 inches, so it can be used with a smaller die cutting machine. The die also creates the crease lines as well as the debossed pattern, which is the leaf veins. I'm using the foiled cardstock here because the debossed pattern shows best on shiny papers. So all it takes is one pass through the die cutting machine, and then you just have to fold the tabs along the creased lines that are created by the die, and this way you get the small envelope. Creating an envelope just can't be any quicker, and the size of the finished one is 2.5 by 3.5 inches. You can also create one out of regular pattern paper, and if you are using it, you can even cut through 2 layers of paper at one go, and this way you'll make things even quicker. And here for this envelope I also applied some adhesive onto the tabs, but you don't have to do that. Creating a closure is also super easy. You can either use a sticker to close up the envelope, or you can use a craft knife like I'm doing now and just create a small cut. Now I'm actually making it a bit bigger, it can be smaller totally, and then you use the stem of the leaf to feed through that hole, and here you have the envelope closed. Here on the next envelope I'm actually going to make a much smaller slit and then just close it up. This time I'm just going to make 5 envelopes for the demonstrational purposes, but making 25 of them is also no problem at all. To turn the envelopes into the calendar, I have to add the dates to them, and I'll be using the new die set that is called Advent Stars and Numbers. The advantage of this die set is that you have all the numbers, so you can die cut them at one go. That is definitely going to save you a lot of time. Then I'm just going to adhere the numbers onto the circles, and I'm going to use the liquid glue for that, but of course there are more high-tech approaches, like for instance using sticker sheets or sticker paper. This will make things even quicker, but I'm just going to do that the old-fashioned way. The circle die is also included in the set, and by the way, there are also the star shapes, so you can choose those instead. But if you want to save some time on die cutting, you can use a circle punch instead. To attach the numbers onto the envelope, I'm applying some double-sided tape onto one tab of the envelope, and I'm sticking down the circle with the number, and this way the envelope can be opened and closed. I just love how Christmassy it looks. As always, you can find the links to the supplies that I'm using down below in the description box, as well as on my blog. And by the way, the number can also be attached at the other side of the envelope. It's also going to look pretty nice. And this is how you make this type of a calendar. Making these 5 envelopes took me about 5 minutes, so I think the entire calendar is going to take about half an hour. Now let me quickly explain how you can use this type of a calendar. The first type of a calendar that you can make is a quest advent calendar. In this case, you are placing not the actual gifts inside the envelopes, but the notes explaining where the gift is hidden. This calendar is especially good for those children who like picking. The second type is the gift card advent calendar. That's pretty transparent. You simply fill it in with gift cards. Another type is a task advent calendar. In this case, instead of the gifts, you're leaving a note with funny tasks like decorate the door for Christmas, visit a friend, and the like. You can find the ideas online. Then you can also use Christmas greetings instead of the tasks. Or you can just tell a person each and every day of Christmas how much you love them and what you love them for. And finally, if the recipient is a crafter, you can fill the envelopes with small crafty stuff like sequins, embellishments, ephemera, and the like. So that was the project for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.